back to the channel. Time is 4:20 right now, and we are very excited. You can see that excitement on face, right? So finally, we are going on a ride, and the ride details I'm gonna give you on the bike when I'm riding right now. Really, when I'm riding. But right now, I just want to show you the mess that we created here. This is the top. This is the left pannier, and this one is the right pannier that we have here, and this is the top box. All are lightly packed. We did not pack it heavily, but we do have good amount of clothes that we need to carry for the next 10 days ride. And we have my laptop also that I'm carrying with me, and this is the tank bag that I'm having, and this is the gear that I need to wear. The person behind the lens is my friend, and he'll be joining with me. So we both are doing this ride, and we need to buy gear for him from Vijayawada. So we'll be heading directly to Vijayawada. From there, I'm gonna give you information where we are actually headed to. So without any delay, let's hop onto the bike. So we just started from home. It's 4:48 now in the morning, and range is currently showing 180 kilometers. So definitely we need to get this baby filled. So I'm just heading towards my first petrol station for the ride. I'll get the petrol filled. Petrol refueling is also done. Now it is showing 410 kilometers. Now I just need to do one more thing. I just need to reset the trip. How to do that? I forgot. Trips data. Then you'll go here. I'll just select trip to long press. Right. Now it's showing null. Right. Now we are starting the ride from here. So we just reached Rajahmundry. Rajahmundry is somewhere around 60 kilometers from Kakinada. As you can see here, it is showing 60 kilometers. So this is like outer ring road of Rajahmundry. So if you want to avoid the city, then you can take this turn and come from here, this particular bridge. Then you'll cross Rajahmundry without entering into the city. So this will directly lead you to Eluru. There's no water floating as of now, but yeah, it definitely looks beautiful. And that's the first toll plaza of the day. It is Kovvuru Toll Plaza. And we officially crossed the first toll plaza of the day. And the ride too. So that's Kovvuru Toll Plaza. Man, this toll road is going to be awesome. I already drove on this particular toll road. I did 140 on this particular toll road. I remember that, yes. So this is second toll of the day, guys. I think, I am not sure. Okay, Veeravalli. The toll gate name is Veeravalli. It is located near Veeravalli village, it seems. So this is the second toll gate for the day. And we did somewhere around 107 kilometers. We are still 120 kilometers away from Vijayawada. That is our destination. To take a break, actually, there we need to do some shopping. From there we'll start, and I'll give you information where we are heading. I just locked these jeeps, guys. There's a lot of wind coming in, and it was a cold breeze. Basically my hands were shivering, so I just decided to close these jeeps. This is one feature that we have with this jacket. You can close these jeeps if you don't want the air to come in. If you want the air to come in, then you can open that, and you have a mesh behind that which will help you breathe.
ఎవరు వెళ్తున్నారు సార్ నిద్రలోనే? బాగుంది, ఆడుకోండి నిద్రలోనే. So we crossed somewhere around 173 kilometers, and the bike is giving me a mileage of 30.4, and total trip time that we did right now is 2 hours 41 minutes. Sorry, 2 hours 42 minutes trip time. And right now we are crossing another toll plaza, Kalaparru. Kalaparru. Okay, Kalaparru toll plaza. It's somewhere 30 to 20 kilometers before Yeluru. So, oh my god. ఒక్క నిమిషం. We just crossed Kalaparru toll gate and it's 174 kilometers that we totally covered till now. Total trip time, as I already mentioned, it's 2 hours 43 minutes, and bike is giving me an average of 30 kilometer per liter, 30.4, but I'll count it as 30 because somewhere in the middle on the toll road I did somewhere around 110 120. I did not record that, so that's why mileage got dropped. Otherwise it would have given me 36 kilometer per liter. So we just started from Vijayawada. My friend got his gear, the one who is traveling with me along on the pillion. He also got the gear from Biker Studio Vijayawada. So we are leaving Vijayawada now, and the time is 10:30. We covered till now 230 kilometers. Trip time it is showing as 3 hours 46 minutes. Traffic is too bad right now in Vijayawada, so I'm just trying to understand which route to take. I'm not sure. This is my first time in Vijayawada driving, so I'm having my Google Maps here on the phone, that too mounted on my tank bag. Right, it is saying 200 meters, keep right. Okay. Let me just cross this traffic first. Oh man, finally we are out of traffic now. Thanks to God. We are on National Highway 16, which I need to take for another 260 kilometers. I just need to travel on this particular route. So there are no directions, deviations, diversions, nothing at all. So no issues at all. I think we are crossing the Krishna River. Vijayawada Krishna River, yes. There's no water at all. People said that here they are facing floods. Okay. Anyway, you enjoy the view, guys. Now we are approaching toll gate number 5 of the day, of the ride too. So not sure the name. Let me see. It's Kaza Toll Plaza. It's a huge one, really a huge one, and the road is superb, man. So we crossed the 5th toll gate of the day. So I remember traveling on this road when I went to Hyderabad last time during the lockdown period to get my luggage. The same road, man. The whole stretch of 200 plus kilometers is superb actually. There will be 4 toll plazas if I'm not wrong, and this road is pretty awesome. I'm not sure up to what area we are going to cover on this particular toll road, but whatever area that we are going to cover, it is going to be a smooth ride, smoothest ride of the day actually. See, it's 3 lane it's a 6 lane highway, 3 lane for each side, so you can imagine, right now I'm cruising at 94 kilometers only. There's no need to hurry. I just need to get some petrol, fill some petrol. Need to find the nearest petrol station. Then I'll get some petrol also. Then I'll start cruising around 120. Oh, 60 is the limit here. Okay, no problem. We'll come down then. Okay, okay. Second refueling for the day. మెల్లి కొట్టు పైకి వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో టోటల్ 1052 rupees petrol went into the bike now. Morning 958 rupees, now 1052 rupees, total 2000 rupees petrol today. Okay. So we are entering the 6th toll gate of the day, Simhapur toll gate. So once we cross this toll gate, I am not sure how many toll gates are there, but we still need to we still need to travel 340 kilometers to reach Chennai. So I hope this video is getting recorded because there is only 1% charging left in the GoPro. I need to charge that. I think it is getting recorded because I can see that recording button in the menu. I can see the recording button in the menu bar, so I hope it is getting recorded. We'll just stop somewhere here and I'll just put this GoPro battery inside for charging so that I don't miss any other further updates on this video. I'll just stop here and record this. I'll see you soon. Just stop here for a quick lemon soda break. Quick lemon soda break. We are somewhere around 370 kilometers away from Chennai right now. So another 4 to 5 hours maybe, somewhere around 7:30 or 8 o'clock in the night, we should be reaching Chennai. We need to book the hotels too, so let's see. We stopped here on the highway dhaba to have some khichdi and we did not have water from the morning, so we got few water bottles and some khichdi. Starting from this place. This place is called Sri Valluramma Thalli Family Dhaba. Decent place. Food was also good. So finally we are starting from here. Did somewhere around 389 kilometers. Mileage I am getting 32.3. Total trip time is 6 hours. We have still range of 380 kilometers, but we need to travel only 300 kilometers. And the time now is 2 p.m. in the afternoon. 2 in the afternoon. So let's start. Okay, this is the temple that is named after Valluramma, so that's why they also named that family dhaba as Valluramma. Okay, whenever you reach this particular place, right, you can remember that there is one family dhaba which serves decent food. You can try there. So let's just travel towards our destination. We have rest area here. So Nellore is 110 kilometers, Tanguturu 10 kilometers and Kavali 58 kilometers. If I'm not wrong, one of my friend who studied with us in our college is from Kavali. Suresh, hope you remember, man. खाना खा के पूरा अंदर से एनर्जी बाहर आ गया है. Now I just want to cruise more than 100, but let me limit my speed. अगर 6th gear पे जाऊँगा तो definitely I'm gonna go cruise more than 100 definitely. So 6th gear जाने से अपने आप को रोकना पड़ेगा. So I'll just try to keep myself in 5th gear so that I'll be in the range of 80, 90, not more than that. Sometimes maybe 100 touch कर सकते हैं in 5th gear, not. अगर फिर 100 के बाद जाना है तो definitely I'll switch to 6th gear. So मेरा फ्रेंड का चार्ज हो चुका, I mean his phone battery fell down to 6%. So मेरे पास एक सिगरेट चार्जर था, तो उसको लगाकर हमने अभी चार्जिंग लगा दिया यहाँ पर. And now we are traveling towards Chennai. Chennai is exactly 294 kilometers from here. We did not book any hotels as of now. The expected time of arrival is 7:30 in the night. So change हो सकता है if I'm gonna cruise like this. It may come down to 7 or 6:30 also, but after 5 I think this lighting is not gonna be there. So definitely मेरा speed ultimately कम हो जाएगा. I might have to restrict myself somewhere near around 50 or 60 km/h. Where are you, buddy? Because of this Senna, right, I'm not able to locate this dual visor. Okay, got it. It's better to have a helmet with dual visor because it protects your eyes from the sunlight. Okay. NS Hotel 5 kilometers. Okay. Above toll plaza. Okay, there is another toll plaza. That means after 4 kilometers there will be one toll plaza, and then you'll see that food plaza or something. It was their hotel, right? NS Hotel, I think. You may find that there. So let's see what is the toll plaza name. That will be our 7th toll plaza in the day. I know this video is going to be very long. I really understand that, but this is Pharma memory, so I'm gonna keep the whole recording. So if you are not interested in watching, so I am not gonna force you. You can just skip this video. अन्ना ना तो इंदु करना नहीं ग्रेस.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
ओ रेस का था भैया. थम्स अप इస్తున్నాడు. थैंक यू ब्रो.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया.
I thought you want to race, bro. Anyway, Swift లో రేస్ వద్దులే భయ్యా. Man, I'm cruising over 100. No. Let's get down. अगर 100 के ऊपर गया तो definitely mileage will drop, man. I don't want the mileage to go down below than this. 32.2 is the least I'm having right now. No, I don't want below that. See, earlier it was showing range 380 kilometers, now it is showing 320 kilometers. Just because I went over 90 kilometers per hour, it is now showing 320 as my range. What, man? If this is a bike that is meant to go over 100 kilometer per hour, then it should also give me a mileage, right? No, it is not supposed to give me the mileage, but yeah, I'm gonna taunt it, no issues. Okay, where's the toll plaza, man? Okay, 1 more kilometer to go. Fine. Right, toll plaza 1 kilometer ahead. After we cross this toll plaza, I'm gonna give my bike to my friend buddy. He's gonna ride the bike for the next 100 kilometers or so. I'm not fed up. I mean, I'm not having in trouble riding this bike, but he also wants to drive the bike, so I'm gonna sacrifice now. No issues. I can sit in the back and chat. I can do some chatting, right? I hope we picked up all the messages that I parked there. Right, NS Food Plaza. Right, we were right. Actually, it was showing 2 kilometers, right? Yes. After crossing Toll Plaza, you'll find this Food Plaza. Toll Plaza, Food Plaza. What a rhyming, man. No, it's not rhyming. It's basically they are named similar to that, right? Southern Spice. We should have stopped here, man. Don't stop there. That is a Desi Dhaba, right? Don't stop there if you are not interested in that. If you are very much into hygiene places, then I suggest you stop here near this toll plaza. I missed the toll plaza name, sorry. What is the toll plaza name? Simhapuri Expressway. Okay. Simhapuri Toll Plaza. Kundepi? Ori Maimo. What is this name, man? Kundepi. What a name. What a lovely name. I think after we cross this bridge, I'm gonna hand over my bike to my friend and I'm gonna just go offline. I'm gonna take rest for some time. Beautiful sky, beautiful sun, but garmi zyada actually. I'm not gonna lie. I'm feeling so much hot inside because of this jacket too. This is a heavy jacket, obviously. I need to open up all the vents so that air goes inside, but right now all those vents are zipped up. So okay, let me stop here and give my bike to my friend. I'll just go and sit in the back side. We'll meet again, guys, then. ఆయనకి తెలుగు నాలెడ్జ్ శూన్యం సార్. టంగుటూరు ప్రకాశం పంతులు గారి గురించి తెలుసా సార్ అతనికి? ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నారు సార్ మీరు? ఏరా రాజు, టంగుటూరు ప్రకాశం పంతులు గారి గురించి తెలుసారని? ఏం పంతులు? So this is how the bike is looking, guys. I hope अभी तक दिखाया नहीं, right? I forgot, sorry. So I mounted those two pioneers there. There is the top box and there is this tank back. So we put all those luggage in these two boxes. Basically this is empty. There is 1 kg of cake inside which we are carrying so that we can eat whenever we feel hungry. And there is my laptop also which is present inside this box only. And I tried to split the weight equally on both the panniers. So this is how they are looking. Weight is equally distributed actually. There is no problem at all. I can feel the weight equally balanced when I am riding. So now Raju is going to ride. I am just going to act as pillion and I'll be signing off now. We'll meet again on the road somewhere where I take charge. Till then, stay tuned. Sure. మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం డెఫినెట్లీ. ఓకే బ్రో, చలో బాయ్. So it's finally time for me to ride. So time is 4:05 now. Fuel range 250 kilometers left. We need to travel only 205 kilometers. So I think it can be stretched, but I am used to my driving style, so obviously it is going to fall down to somewhere around 180 or so fuel range in the next 5 to 10 minutes. I'm not sure. So we have covered till now 479.7 kilometers. Just took a small water break, had some water, and we are now heading towards our direction again, towards our destination in this direction. Yes, that's how it should be. Looking at this situation, it makes me feel that sun is going to disappear in the next 1 hour or so. So that means I have to ride for the next 3 hours in darkness. With these lights, with the stock lights, whatever I have right now on the KTM ADV 390. So that's the worst part, guys. And I am not sure how the roads are going to be. Okay, बहुत बड़ा adventure होने वाला है आज. Got it. Oh my god, it's 9th toll plaza of the day, man. Officially we are entering Nellore city now. This part of the city, this part of Andhra Pradesh I never explored, so it is new thing for me. Another 155 kilometers to go. It is showing 303 hour 5 minutes. Let's see if we can cover that 5 kilometers in 5 minutes. Srikalahasti is 76 kilometers from here. Oh man, it is very near. Srikalahasti. One second. Recently I went to Srikalahasti on my car. I forgot traveling in this route. Maybe we took some other route. Not sure. 89. Kanyakumari is 923. Madurai is 555. Tiruchirappalli is 454 and Chennai is 135. So we need to travel 135 kilometers in 2 hours and 43 minutes. It is doable definitely. That's why Google Mata is showing that. But I think I'll take a quick stop somewhere here after crossing these lorries. Maybe. ఓకే చేసుకోండి అమ్మ ఆడుకోండి ఇద్దరు ఎవరు వెళ్తారు ముందు వెళ్ళండి డిసైడ్ అయ్యి చెప్పండి ఓకే గూడూరు వీఆర్ నియర్ గూడూరు నౌ ఐ థింక్ యా stop here for some time. Refueling is also done. It costed us 1098 rupees of petrol. Tamil Nadu. Yeah, I got the message that welcome to Jio Tamil Nadu. So we have officially entered Tamil Nadu. Yes. So another 64 kilometers to Chennai. I'll meet you there. Till now we have traveled 667 kilometers starting from my home. Another 30 kilometers to go to reach the destination. Man, toll gate के पास भी इतने लोग. Okay, fine.